Hello everybody, welcome to this review of the Perception Access Kayak 9.5. It's it, it has this tag 9.5 because I believe the length of the kayak is 9.5 feet. It weighs about 50 pounds, not too heavy. One person can lift it over their head. It has a lot of storage options. It has this very comfortable inbuilt seat, really comfortable to sit on. It has this sturdy handle grips using which you can lift the kayak. Some storage on the back. Bungee cords help you store some bags or anything that you might have. Some more holes there to put in your bottles. Really very nice footrest. You can, I think it can accommodate people of various heights. Really comfortable to sit in. Let's flip over the boat and see what's underneath it. This underbody design is what I believe gives this kayak great stability, which we will see more in detail later in the video. But this underbody design makes this kayak feel really stable. When the one end of the boat is very smooth, the other end has this rudder. I don't know what it's called. So let's take this out for a ride on the lake and let's see how it feels. Said, I feel very stable here, sitting out here. It's very comfortable to stretch out my leg completely. It gives a really relaxed feeling sitting on this kayak. Quite comfortable enough to paddle. As I told you, I'm not that experienced, but I find it not so difficult to maneuver this kayak. I did try some other kayaks. I went and bought an inflatable ones, and I tried out another brand at a rental. I never felt comfortable in those kayaks. Please avoid the inflatable kayak. It's not it's not safe. I think for any beginner, this is the kayak you should buy first, because you're out on the lake. Of course, always wear your life jacket, and please invest in a good paddle too, because our safety is very important, and it doesn't make sense to cheap out on this. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I give a very good rating for this kayak. I definitely recommend you to purchase this. Thank you.